Dennis Shuka, and I'm the Chief Executive Officer of King's College London Students' Union, or KCLSU, and I'll be talking to you about being a KCLSU trustee. First and foremost, KCLSU is legally a charity. Therefore, we are established for charitable purposes as well as for public benefit. However, in order for one to be a charity, we have to demonstrate that we meet one of 13 charitable purposes. And the charitable purpose that we meet is the advancement of education, which is set within our objectives. And we have 3 key objectives, which 1 is promoting the interest and welfare of students at King's, 2, being recognised representative channels between King's College London and our student body, and 3, providing social, cultural, sporting and recreational activities and forums for discussion and debate for the personal development of its students. So, KCLSU is a not-for-profit charitable company, limited by guarantee, registered in England and Wales. So, what is a trustee? First and foremost, trustees can be broken down as individuals or a group of people who have overall legal responsibility for a charity, the persons having the general control and management of the administration of a charity. Trustees make sure a charity does what it says it will do, its purpose, in a way that is effective and legal. 3 main responsibilities. 1, trustees have to set and own the strategy. 2, they need to oversee delivery of the strategy. And 3, they need to ensure that the legal and fiduciary responsibilities of the charity are being met. So why be a trustee? A variety of different reasons. First and foremost, passion for the cause, for students, by students, to use skills and experiences that you've already gained. For career development, being a trustee, you get projected into a very senior position in an organisation. Therefore, you get to understand how an organisation works, and ultimately is to give something back. How much time will it take? First and foremost, we have about 4 board meetings and 1 away day. 2, we have about 5 to 6 committee meetings. 3, trustee training, and then other occasional KCLSU events. So who's on the KCLSU board? The board is made up of 14 trustees, of which are broken down into 3 types of roles. 6 positions are held by officer trustees who are elected and includes the chair. They serve 1-year terms for a maximum of 2 terms. Then we have student trustees who yet again are elected in the autumn election. However, this might change. There's 4 student trustee positions who serve 1 year, and there attend various subcommittees as well. And then ultimately we have lay trustees who are appointed by the board. 4 positions, serve 4-year terms and maximum of 2 terms, meaning that they can do a combined total of 8 years. They also include the vice chair of the board. In order for you to be a trustee, you have to meet certain eligibility requirements that are set by the Charities Commission. First, you cannot be under the age of 18. You cannot have any unspent conviction for any offence involving deception or dishonesty, are an undischarged bankrupt, have made compositions with your creditors and have not been discharged, have at any time been removed by the commissioners or by the court in the UK from being a trustee because of misconduct, have failed to make payments under the County Court Administrator's order, are a member of KCLSU staff. And at the same time, if you're unsure about your eligibility, please email elections@kclsu.org. KCLSU staff can help you figure it out. Being a trustee. As a candidate for KCLSU trustees, you are running for a position of public office which is governed by law. You will be in the public eye, and as a candidate and potential future trustee of KCLSU, you will be asked to declare any interest or loyalties that may come into conflict in this role. Yet again, if you have any questions or concerns about this, please contact elections@kclsu.org. Last but not least, there is a trustee code of conduct. In terms of, as a KCLSU trustee, you need to promise to abide by the principles of public life, the Nolan principles. These are 7 principles that cover key areas such as selflessness, integrity, objectivity, accountability, openness, honesty, and leadership. There are a number of other specific laws relating to the relations you form with others, protecting the reputation of KCLSU being one, not acting for personal gain being another, declaring conflict of interest, and engaging in the governance procedures. Familiarise yourself with these, which are already in the handbook. Finally, I just wanted to actually thank you all for taking part in the elections. I hope you have a great time. And equally, if you are elected into the position, I look forward to working with you. And at the same time, this is one of the best experiences that you actually have. Thank you so much.